Hi everybody, welcome back with Tips with Tanya. Today we're going to talk about doors and how they swell in the summertime and the reasons for that. Mostly, and the biggest thing is going to be in older homes that don't have air conditioning. And let me show you why. Look up on top of here. Do you notice that the door is not painted at the very top? So back in the day, they first of all didn't even know that they had to paint the top. And without having air conditioning, I have an older home that I'm redoing. So probably gonna get rid of these doors. But in the meantime, while it's winter and cold and they're shrunk, I'm going to just throw a bead of paint across the top of that and stop that moisture from getting in there. Now, there's going to be three people that this is going to happen to. It's going to be people like myself who have an older home that they're redoing with these old doors. It's going to be brand new homes. So if you're getting a brand new home and you have to do a PDI, check the top of the door when you do your little walkthrough, because the thing is, most painters will skip that because one, we have air conditioners now and you don't get as much humidity. But you will notice it in places like your bathroom if it's not done. So make sure they do that. If not, you can do it. Or it could just be the random person at home doing their own little home renos and they buy a brand new door and put it in. Again, that top of the door may not be painted. Takes 2 seconds, check it out, stop the swelling. The swelling, again, is because of the humidity getting into the door and making it fat. Much like us in the summertime when we get all hot and sweaty and nasty. And, well, you know what it's like, ladies. Anyway, let me show you how to fix this really quickly so you don't take the door off, because nobody wants to be doing that. I use one of these. Okay, these are things that you can use for edge trimmers. That's what this one is. But could use a deck stuff, whatever, those kind of things. All I do is I put a light bead of paint across the center of it and wipe across the top. That's it, quick and easy. Same thing goes for the base, because we know for a fact if they didn't do the top, they sure as heck didn't do the base. So you'll notice here, again, a little bead of paint, slide it under the door and move across like that. And you're done. Tips with Tanya, stick around. I'll keep posting these odd little things that help you get ahead in life. And as always, if you need a real estate agent in the Oakville, Mississauga, or Toronto area, I'm your girl. And have a great day. Bye, everybody.